My name's Nick. I work here at QA1 as a CNC programmer. This here is our Mori machine. We have multiple machines here at QA1, but this is one of our more complex machines. How it works is a bar feeds into the machine on the main side. We program it to make cuts on the part. We can actually transfer that part over, cut it off the bar, and finish the part out. And it ends up spitting out the backside of the machine when the process is all over. Typical cycle time is usually anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes per part, and the machine runs all by itself. After you get done programming, setting it up, setting all your tools, the machine runs by itself. So it just constantly spits out parts at you all day long. Some cool things that it makes is basically any component that goes into any of our shock assemblies, any of our suspension components. This machine will provide parts for any of those various components. This machine is so cool to operate because you can be as creative as you want to be on however you want the finished product to come out. There's so many different things you can do to get there. You can use your imagination, and you can be as creative as you want to be. If you can think it, you can do it. Some classes and skills that you can take in school is math, of course. You gotta be good at math. You gotta have good mechanical skills, so any type of shop class that you can take in school. And anything that you can do at home is great. Be out in the garage with your dad and be building things, understand how to turn something or how to turn nothing into something, and how to make cuts, even if it's a block of wood, how to make stuff out of wood. Anything to create some mechanical aptitude will help you in machining and in CNC world. I hope this helps understand the machining world and how CNC works. And if you guys got any questions about QA1, feel free to visit the website at www.qa1.net.